Hey, what's up guys, it's Laashak here in another video, well, tech video. So basically, if you've seen my previous video, you would have known that I had both of these ThinkPads at home and I bought them to a studio to get some content out of that. And if you want to see the unboxing of one of these, well, this one is a brand new one, so you can go check that out. And I physically wanted to compare them since they look pretty similar and have a similar size. Similar weight and stuff. So what we're gonna do is a physical comparison, but I'm not gonna go ahead and open this and go into the keyboard or any of this screen stuff. So it's gonna be basically a physical comparison. So let's get into the video right now. So to be honest, both are equally heavy. And in my last video I mentioned it was lightweight. Well, basically it's kind of not lightweight, but like I know it is contradictory saying so what we're gonna do is basically we're gonna start with the weight since we already talked about it. So let's go ahead and get our iconic weight machine in set. So the maximum capacity of our weight machine right here is 5 kgs. I hope, well, I technically know they won't be over 5 kgs. So I'm gonna show it live on screen right now. So this is the slightly bigger version. So the old one versus the new one, which is the one I got right now, and it's kind of more smooth. And the problem is the shell, it gets more fingerprints. I just unboxed it in the previous video and like now I got fingerprints. I don't know, I'm just handling it for like a video and so. And we got 1621. So since this thing is slightly bigger and slightly taller, I feel like it's got to be more. Yeah, so it's 20 grams more, 1645 grams, which means both are near 1.6 kgs. That's something that we should take in consideration. And just don't worry, the shell light of this ThinkPad is perfectly alright. And let's go ahead and get rid of the weight machine, and I'll be right back. Hey, okay. Alright, now let's go ahead and compare side by side. As I said, I'm not going to open the laptops and go into the keyboard and stuff. So if that's something that you guys would like to see, go ahead and comment down below. But for now, what we're gonna do is so as you can see, I feel this thing is slightly more taller. So like the height of my fingers, so it's like that tall. That's how it's extra. So all this display part is extra in the device, so I feel like that's why it's more heavier. And when you put them side by side, it's more tall here and you can view it live on screen, so that's why 20 grams is heavy. It's 20 grams more heavier. So let's go through the ports and finish up. So both of them have a similar shell, and this one has a more rough shell and this one has a soft one where I can like slide in. The problem is this one takes a lot of fingerprint and this one doesn't. And yeah, so what we're gonna do is we are going to put them side by side. The way I'm gonna compare ports is that since they both are charged using USB type C, so you have the USB type C, both of them right here, so that's why I'm comparing it like that. I also wanted to compare it like that because it's because the ThinkPad logo is here, so that's why. So what we got here is USB type C, and we got a headphone jack, which is not available on this side. So headphone jack, and we also have a USB on both of them, and you also have this internet connection, Ethernet connection on that. And the fun fact, you have this right here for the airflow from the laptop, which is not present in the new one. So I'm kind of surprised how it's going to handle heat. So let's go ahead and see the other side. Probably has one. Well, it doesn't. That's surprising. And I don't know. Okay, so let's go ahead. As seen before, this thing has way more ports than the one below. So again, we have, oh wait, so the thing that we saw the other side is not the charging port, since we have another USB type C on both of these sides, and we also have extra ports right here. I mean, this thing is more convenient with the ports. Well, it's slightly more heavier, and you also got USB, HDMI on both, and you got the headphone jack on this side, and that's it. But like, you got Ethernet connection and some extra ports. So basically, physically, it has more ports and more convenience for travel and doesn't catch more fingerprints. So that's the physical comparison of both types of ThinkPads. If you want more content on this or any other questions, feel free to put it on comment. I'll go through them and make a video on that. And thanks for watching. Subscribe with the notifications to get more tech content. And that's it for this video. Have a nice day.